Hi there, it's me, Luis. Welcome to Nakamoto Jedi Daily News Digest. We've prepared something interesting for you. Let's look at the market first. Are you glad about Bitcoin's success? I hope G20 will please us with favorable news and everything will change. In general, the G20 countries have spoken positively about the cryptosphere and postponed the adoption of the final decision on the global cryptocurrencies regulation for another 3 months. The representatives of the Group of 20 confirmed again that cryptocurrencies don't pose any threat to global financial stability. This statement, along with the postponement of the regulation until October, excellently supported Bitcoin that went into growth. Bitcoin always actively reacts to the news from the G20. If in October the decision isn't made, Bitcoin's price will rapidly skyrocket. And now, good news for beginners. The MyEtherWallet.com team declared its partnership with the Simplex company. It means that now you can buy Ethereum on MyEtherWallet for the fiat currencies directly with your card. To buy Ether and go trading is as easy as stocking up on food at the supermarket or paying for dinner at the restaurant. You only need your Visa or Mastercard. To make a purchase, you need to undergo verification. And also, it's necessary that the bank which has issued the card allows operations with cryptocurrencies. So it's better to check if your bank accepts crypto. And what do you think about this? Leave us a comment under this video. And the next thing I'll talk about is that the world's largest exchange, Coinbase, has become the owner of a personal permission to display advertising in Google. The official permission to advertise in Google has been received after full approval by the social network Facebook. The reaction of the community can be described in a couple of sentences. They banned it so it can crash and the rich could get into crypto. Now the rich are in and they want the price to be pushed up. On the one hand, I'm happy for the guys, but on the other, it looks a bit suspicious. Let me know what you think about this story in the comment section below. Happy investing! See you again soon in the next video. Hit the thumbs up button and stay tuned.